Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another 4 spring/summer easy elevated outfits. In today's video I really wanted to focus on dresses. I feel like I'm never a dress girl, but I want to be, and I want to find ways to style it that feel like me. Because I feel like dresses are super easy to dress up and they're really easy to just throw on, but I feel like they're not as like fun for me to style and put together. They're kind of boring for me. So I want to change that mindset and try to make dresses interesting for myself. So I've pulled 3 dresses. We're going to style them in a way that I feel like feels like me, or something I would wear. But I feel like dresses are just kind of boring. Am I alone in this? Does everyone else like dresses? I don't know. But I have very basic silhouettes. You'll see I like a very basic silhouette when I'm talking about dresses because I like to change them. I like very plain, not super patterned, because I feel like it makes them versatile. And I think that's why I don't ever buy dresses, because they're so just like one note. They're kind of flat. They're kind of just, that's it, you know? So let's see if I change my mind today. Let's start with this one that I just grabbed from Target. It is a little like shift dress, which is one of my favorite ways, or one of my favorite styles of dresses. I don't know. I like something that's pretty high neck. I just feel like it's very flattering. So we'll see what I do with this. This is a linen little black number, and it was on hecka sale from Target. So let's pop that on. You know the drill. We'll accessorize and put together first outfit. But first I realized I forgot a bra, so hold on. Ooh, this is looking cute. Okay, the other thing about dresses, I cannot get that buttoned. I'm trying, but I just like cannot do it. The other thing about dresses that I feel like I don't like is I'm not a bodycon dress kind of girl, like a figure what the heck? Okay, got it. A form-fitting dress. I'm not somebody who likes that. So I feel like it can make me look like a potato sack. It really does nothing for me. And you guys know I'm not one to care about like how an outfit, like specifically, if it's the most flattering thing in the world. If I feel comfortable and I feel confident, I love it. But sometimes it can give potato sacks. So let me twist this mirror around so I can see. This, though, I feel like is such a classic silhouette. It has pockets, which I love. If it's a normal bralette, if you have not tried the Skims bralettes, they're game-changing. I'm obsessed with them. I didn't bring or wear a single bra when I was in Mexico. I only wear these bralettes. Do you consider them bras? I don't know. Nonetheless, I love them. I can't believe I waited so long to try them. But anyways, I like the silhouette of this dress. Not too long, not too short. Really, truly is quite perfect. So ways that I am thinking about styling it, or just adding fun accessories, because I just feel like this is really giving nothing. So I saw this super cute girl on Instagram that I was like, that is such a cute way to style a black little shift dress. Her dress was not this. It was something, I think it was like the Free People, whatever, but she had a super cute hat on. And hats are me. Hats are very much, that's why I was like, oh, I mean, I know I can wear a hat with a dress, but I didn't think that I would regularly do that. And she had like big gold earrings, so I was like, ooh, that makes it a little like feminine but cute. I think she had her hair up. I don't know if I would keep it up or down. I'm having a good hair day today. I like it. So she had a hat on. She had a different color hat, but she also had, though, again, she didn't have these exact shoes, but she had like flats on, which I thought was so fun. Sneakers, dress, flats, I don't know. I just think it's really quite cute. It's not a way that I would ever wear it. Typically, I'm a dress and sneakers kind of girl, which I still am, but this is fun because it's very much a shift in terms of different styles within one outfit. I have a hat on my hair, I think. A hair on my hat? A hat on my hair? Duh, oh my gosh. Okay, when I haven't filmed in a minute, it's a little rough. I think this is actually really cute. I like the ballet flats with it because the flats and the dress kind of go together, and the hat is a little like fun pop, but I don't know, just kind of adds a little different vibe to the whole thing. And could we pair it with like a bag? Okay, this is cute. This is very cute. I like this. This works. I almost wish I had like a red hat, but this is cute. This really works. I'm a fan. So now, I'm thinking a different way to style it, which is, let's see, with a pair of sneakers, I would pair it. I love dresses / shorts with these little New Balance sneakers. And since putting these stretchy laces in, they've been a game changer. Game changer for wearing them because I actually like wearing them now. Okay, let's see what accessories I want to pair with this. I know I don't want to do a, see, I don't know if these actually look great with this. Let's try like a fun bun. Sometimes fun buns are fun. I used to wear fun buns like every day when I lived in Japan. And I remembered that I loved them so much when I was on vacation. I feel like this is a slightly more elevated fun bun with the clip. Okay, what are we thinking? Let's add something else. See, this is where I'm at. Like, I feel like, okay, the end. I have bottoms and I have a dress on. But this is so boring. This is not interesting. Huh. Let's try a... So I could always wear a denim shirt. But you see how this kind of gives just boxy one note? And old Kelly would have worn this around here because this is what we used to have to do when I worked at Abercrombie & Hollister. Too much. So I think that's why I love the over-the-shoulder moment, because it takes a very basic outfit. Ooh, I'm grabbing the wrong sleeve here. And adds something to it without losing. See, this works. This works. I like this. And I know when people say when I put like a shirt or something like that, they're like, looks like you just threw your dirty laundry on. Ma'am. Maybe. This is actually dirty. I cooked it last night. But I feel like it's a denim shirt, so who matters? Who matters? Who matters, you know? Just kidding. No, who matters? Who cares? It smells like a smoker though, because I smoked some chicken and zucchini. It's grill season. I'm feeling it. Okay. This to me is very cute. It's elevated, but also good. And then for a bag, I'd probably wear like something like this. Ta-da! Okay, we're getting there. See? This is something like I would have thrown this dress on and been like, nope. But with the accessories, the fun bun, the sneakers, okay, we're getting somewhere. Let's move on to the second dress. This dress I bought right when it came out. Wish I had gotten a medium, to be honest with you, because I feel like this small is just kind of like a little tight, but not too tight, honestly. It's fitting. I got this in a tall though because the short was like too short. I might get it hemmed just like a touch, but I wanted that ability. See, this is what I mean when I like should have gotten a medium. You see what I mean? Like it's just kind of like a little too form-fitting. But I love this dress. I think it is so pretty, so flattering. It really is like you could wear this to like an office, I guess. I don't know, depends where you work. But if you are larger chested, either size up or wear a bralette under this, because if not, it like puckers a whole lot more. But I just feel like it kind of pulls here. I don't know, but it does fit really nicely. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it's just too small on me? Or am I just like being me? I already told you I don't like form-fitting things, but I also hate the thought of like things not fitting, like are being too small. Now ever since I put that hat on, I don't like my hair anymore. Okay, so this is a cute dress. Now, it's figuring out how to style this in a way that actually feels like me, because this would look obviously cute with a pair of like normal flats, whatever, like, but is it, this part's driving me nuts. I feel like it's too small. That makes me sad. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it. I don't know. This is such a pretty dress though. Okay, but this truly is where I'm kind of stuck, where I'm like, okay, what do I do with this to like elevate it? Could wear heels with it, but I don't, that's just not me. Honestly, it's just not me. So let's do a really classic look with, I feel like y'all are gonna call me out on this and be like, that dress is too tight. Sorry. Maybe I'm just a little fluffy from vacation, who knows? Or maybe such is life. Okay. Okay. So this is a very classic way I would wear it with just these little like espadrilles. Can you see them? I hope you can see them. I feel like I need a black sweater. I don't have one, so hold the phone. Okay, note to self, I shouldn't have packed my black sweater. By pack, I mean like I packed it up in my winter wardrobe. So I have this brown one from Quince. And I thought that would look cute. Let's do the little tuckeroonie. I just untucked that completely. So I like this look. I do. But it just feels very like one note. Again, it's just kind of basic. Do you not need to? Is that my issue where I feel like I just have to style every outfit? So this is like the classic, very classy way to style this. Let's style it in a fun way now. I'm thinking like, I don't know. Let's try on a fun pair of sneakers. I feel like these sneakers would look kind of cute with this. So they've come out with this dress in different materials now. They have like a linen one. This one is kind of like a chiffon sort of look to it. I feel like you're either a girl who wears dresses literally all the time, or you're a girl who doesn't wear dresses. Is there somewhere in between? Probably. It's not me. I am not her. I am not the in-between. Okay, so I feel like a fun sneaker with this, because if I wore like my New Balance or anything like that, it would give, I'm out of work, but I forgot shoes to wear at a happy hour. So like a fun sneaker, I feel like is working. But I feel like, you see how it's just like, da-da, the end. What else are we gonna put on it? Why am I so tempted to throw on my denim shirt? Hold on, let's see. Why? Because it's cute, okay? It's cute. I'm very into denim right now. Denim is very in for the spring. Okay, see, this is cute. It's cute. Okay, here we go. Whoa, man alive. The denim is cute. It's like a denim jacket, but it's a denim shirt. Denim jacket. And you could always put it on. So if you're wanting to wear a button up over the shoulders, which I like, because I do feel like if you're cold, it would work. You just button one of the buttons, and then I buttoned it the wrong way. It doesn't matter. And then fold it over. For like an added style detail, instead of just one cuff, I like the two cuffs. It gives an extra color of denim within there, but I like this. This is very much me. This works. This feels kind of mix match, but in a way that I feel like is cool. I probably am just like, it's outside of my comfort zone, but it doesn't mean that I don't like it. I just need to practice styling dresses. But this is cute. I would wear this. I like this. So let's move on to the third dress. It's a mental thing where if like I saw a girl wearing this, I'd be like, you look so cute. I want that. But it becomes a mental thing if you don't practice and see it on yourself. You're kind of just like, that looks weird. You know what I mean? This next dress is a dress that I do wear quite often. I do love this dress. I got this from Everlane. I want to style with a baseball cap. But I got this from Everlane. It's a perfect little tank dress, so let's throw her on. I love this dress because it is, ooh, it's cream. I like the creaminess of it. I love the fit of it. It truly is very like straight, and I think it's flattering. Can kind of look boxy, but I think it's kind of flattering, and it does have a slight, like a slight slit, nothing crazy. So I was thinking of pairing this. I do wear this dress quite often. You can wear it dressed up very easily, so let me show you an outfit that I would wear it kind of dressed up for. What other shoes do I have here? This is like the first way. Yes, we have a lot of sweaters with shoulders. Let's move past that. I feel like this dress I style often, so it feels very easy to style. I am so bummed. I love this bag. I got this from Undar, but I think they stopped selling it, which makes me so sad. But I feel very comfortable with this dress. So yeah, a lot of you have asked about it. I'm gonna reach out to them and figure out if they're still selling them, or if they're just like out of stock or something. I don't know, but love this. Very cute. Brown with the brown, the white with the red. I think this is cute. It's easy, and I just feel like these dresses are just very like, they're good, they're great, they're comfy, they're casual. Okay. Now let's wear it in a way that I wear it pretty regularly, which is I wore this out to a dinner in the city. I paired it with my regular Sambas, but I think I'm gonna go with my blue ones. Pop these on, and since this is a long dress, I will not be wearing like socks that show. I would wear no-show socks, just because it will like kind of cut you off and make you look a little stumpy. And since there is not much like skin showing with this dress, I really don't want to cover my arms. That's another thing. Can belt this too. I've shown this belted. But here we go with the sneakers. Cute. Let's throw in a hat, because I knew I wanted to do a hat with this. This works. I feel like a crossbody bag just like is an accessory in itself, because it's like this. I would probably grab my longer strap, but I think this is cute. I think sometimes I just feel like there needs to be so much going on, and dresses are just so simple that I'm kind of like, where's the outfit? Okay, one thing from this, look how versatile it is. A denim shirt. This is so, okay, this just, I'm sorry, it does something to me. It does it for me. I love it. Okay, if there's any specific pieces that you're struggling to style or need inspiration or whatever, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, let me know what your favorite look was. I don't know, I live in this dress. I think it's just comfy and cozy, and it's longer length, so I feel really comfortable in it. But I love the other two dresses as well. So I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.